winter, when the snow falls in silence, I can only hear you breathing. We follow steady deep tracks, the people all stay hidden, the cars rest under snowdrifts. So clearly the dark sky is framed by cables. So clearly your breath's right as you struggle to tell the people we have become. Still they wait, hoping to hear airwaves. Snow day, snow day, snow day, snow day. Goes, it's a gray up. They don't think of all the struggle and our footsteps is behind us. So clearly your eyes framed in the light decay. So quiet the words stood out when you were saying the people we have become. The setting sun